Hello there, this is Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist, and we're continuing on in the process of our self-help videos on the legal steps for divorce. Today we're going to talk about Form FL 105. We've covered the petition and the summons and some of the process of service forms, but I want to go back a bit and talk about this form here, this FL 105. So we'll get into that here in a bit. Again, my name is Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. We are a licensed and bonded legal document preparation firm that specializes in the divorce process. So if you find these helpful videos online and you want someone to prepare your forms for you, that's what we do. That's what we specialize in. So I just wanted to throw that out there. If you do need our assistance, please give us a call. As you can see, we have multiple websites and cover all of Los Angeles County, so please feel free to visit one of our websites and get additional information. So let's move on now and let's talk about this FL 105, which is also referred to as the Declaration under Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act. It's quite a mouthful there. It's commonly known in the industry as the UCCJEA. So this form is used when you file for divorce. It's one of the forms you'll need to file. It's regarding children, and essentially all it does is advises the court if there's any other cases pending or if there have been previous cases regarding the same children that you're going to have during this divorce process. So the form, if you've been following along, is going to be very similar in how we fill these out. We'll just go through it quickly. This caption area is always going to be the same. Okay, it's always going to be your name, address, and put your telephone number in as we've done on the others. Okay, email address is optional, improper, as we discussed in the past, County of Los Angeles. And we'll use the San Fernando branch as we have been, 900 3rd Street. And North Valley. So this will be one of the initial forms you file. So this would be, if you have children, this would go with the summons and the petition. So you'd put your name here, and your wife's or your spouse's name here. And again, you won't have a case number, because this would be one of the initial documents, so this wouldn't have a case number issued as of yet. Guardian name, don't worry about that unless that applies. So let's get into filling out the form here. They want to know where the children have lived for the last 5 years and who they've lived with. So here you'd mark how many children there are. Let's say there's 2, and then you just simply fill out the blanks here: child's name, place of birth, date of birth, sex. You put the address, and I find that there's not enough information here for the address, so you can use this second line here to complete the address information. So this will be the first address where they currently reside, and you just put the date here and then to present. Who the children lived with, you can say, Mike and Mary Smith, and then you would say parents. If it's just one parent, obviously just put the one person's name. And you would put mother or father in this box here. If that does not cover a 5-year period, you're going to use the next box to add in an address, and so on and so forth until you've covered a 5-year period for where the children have lived. Now, if you have a second child, you put their name here, date of birth, place of birth, date of birth, and their sex, and then here, this box, instead of retyping all that information that you just did for that one child, if it's the same, you can just mark this box. And you don't have to do anything else down in here. It'll complete itself. If you have more than 2 children, there is a FL 105A, which is a form that's a continuation sheet where you can add additional children if you like. And this is page 2. Okay, so number 4, do you have information about or have you participated as a party or a witness or in some other capacity in another court case or custody? So if this applies, you'd say yes. If not, you'd check no. If it is yes, you're going to indicate what it is. Is it a family case? Is there a current guardian case? Some other type of case? And if so, you're going to indicate the case number, the court, jurisdiction, and so forth. If not, you still need to do this form. Even if the answers are no, you still need to supply this form, put no, and if there's other proceedings here, adoption, juvenile, you're just going to supply the information if there is other cases, criminal, family, juvenile. Okay. Do you know of any person who is not a party to this proceeding who has physical custody or claims to have custody or visitation rights with any child in this case? If it's yes, supply the information. If not, check no. And you're done. Just make sure to date it, type or print your name, and signature goes here. And this would be an attachment to the summons and petition if you have children that you would need to file with the court. Again, my name is Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. We do specialize in the divorce process. If you need assistance in preparing your divorce forms or want a professional company to walk you through the divorce process and complete it for you, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you. Feel free to use the link at the bottom of our website to get additional information on our services. Thank you and have a great day.